All right, so I have my journal open and I have my lines drawn. So make sure you do that to get started, and you can pause the video whenever you want. And today we are going to be doing solving equations practice. Okay, we're going to practice all the different kinds of equations that there are. Okay, and I want you guys to always remember the goal. The goal is to always get a variable all alone. Okay, so the first kind of equation we're going to practice are one-step equations. My favorite because they are so freaking easy. They only take one step to solve. Okay, so I'm going to write in number 1, and the first equation we are going to solve is x plus 7 equals 9. All right, my first step is to always draw a line down the equal sign, and then I want to find where my variable is, and my variable is right here, and it needs to be alone. So it needs to be isolated by itself. It can't quarantine if anyone else is with it. So who do we have to get rid of? We need to get rid of this 7. And the way we get rid of numbers is we do inverse operations. We do the opposite operation to get rid of it. So when I see a plus 7, to get rid of it, I'm going to take away 7. Right? You guys remember this? And anything I do on one side, oops, sorry about that, I do to the other, and I'm left with x, right? Because these cancel out, because they become 0, right? Equals 9 minus 7, which is 2. And that is my answer. X equals 2, done. Okay, let's do another example. Copy this down. What if I have 3x equals 12? All right, start again, draw your line. Okay, now my x is right here. And 3x, remember when we don't see an operation sign, is 3 times x. So I have to do the opposite of times, which is dividing. So I'm going to use the fraction symbol to show division because it's the same thing. When I do that, 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then I have the x left over, equals 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Now, it looks like my x isn't alone, but remember, 1s as a coefficient are always invisible. So I can actually erase the 1, and my x is alone, and my answer is x equals 4. Okay? So what I want you guys to do right now is I want you guys to do these two problems. Number 3, which is going to be x minus 9 equals 1, and number 4, which is going to be 5x equals 75. Once you guys get your answer, I just want you to type your answer into the next slide. Do all of your work on paper, type your answer into the next slide. All right. How do I stop this recording? Oh, there it is. This is weird.